Today, I'm showing you how to find saved drafts on Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Step 2. Start creating posts. At the top of your feed, tap on the status box that says, "What's on your mind?" Step 3. Add photo or video. Tap photo or video to add media from your Android device's camera roll. Step 4. Select media. Choose the photo or video you want to post from your gallery. Step 5. Proceed to edit. Tap Next at the bottom to go to the editing screen. Step 6. Save as draft. Instead of posting, tap the Close button X in the top left corner. Step 7. Confirm Save. A pop-up appears asking if you want to save. Tap Save Draft. Your post is now saved as a draft. Now, how to find your draft. Step 8. Open Status Box. Tap on the status box at the top of your Facebook feed again. Step 9. Access Draft. Your saved draft automatically opens up, or simply tap the notification you get after you create the draft. You'll see the photo or video you previously selected along with any text you added. Step 10. Edit Draft. Continue editing your draft post. You can add captions, tag people, add location, or change privacy settings. Step 11. Post or save again. When ready, tap Post in the top right corner to publish, or tap the X again to save any new changes to your draft. And that's it! You can now easily save and find drafts on Facebook on your Android device.